Get Off the Couch is geared towards action. In fact, I use that as an acrostic in the book, action. And it's going to help men take action in their life, to take control of their health and to change their future and their future direction in life. And I want to help men accomplish that in their life. The first action step is the aware part. So you got to begin by knowing where you are. You know, if you're going to take a journey, you got to kind of know where you're starting from. And so the first part talks about, you know, where are you? I talk about where I was in my own life and my physical condition. And then the second thing that you need to be aware of is, what does the Bible say? I mean, the Bible, I believe it's the greatest health book in all the world. The second action is the C part, and that is commit. I mean, it's not enough just know where you're at, be aware, you know. You got to make a commitment if you're ever going to change. And the first thing about that is you got to make a commitment that you're going to, you know, get in the game, and you're going to follow the rules, and you're going to do what God tells us to do. He gave us a playbook in the Bible, and we got to commit to that playbook and follow that playbook. Also, I'm so excited about this. I talk about this whole area of temptation. You know, you get the discipline in your life, and you become a disciplined person, but you know, all of us are tempted, every one of us, you know, and that never goes away. The T in action is transform. And there's a couple areas you have to transform, and the first is the most important, and that is you got to transform your thinking. If you're going to transform your doing, it begins with thinking. Then I talk about doing. And what I lay out in this book is some of the basic things to start doing. You know, it can be overwhelming. You're not sure what to do, and there's so much confusion. You know, one person says this, and another person says exactly the opposite thing. And so I talk about some basic things to start doing. The fourth action step is the whole idea that we have to, in our lives, incorporate this. You know, we have to, you know, download this into our life. And the two basic areas are the eating portion and the exercise portion. One of my favorite titles in this book is the whole idea of getting buffed, not buffeted. The fifth action step in Get Off the Couch is organize. Now, this is critical. You know, it really is talking about the whole idea of incorporating in your life a group of people that can help you, because, you know, a healthy lifestyle, you know, it's not something you do in an isolated way. And I talk about the whole idea of bringing people in your life, having a team. You know, guys like teams when it comes to sports, but they don't like teams too much when it comes to life. And a lot of times we can kind of isolate ourselves. But if you're going to get off the couch and really have a great lifestyle, a healthy lifestyle, you're going to have to bring around you people that can help you. And you're going to have to learn how to deal with people that hinder you. And I talk about both of those in the book. Get Off the Couch is about these action steps we've talked about today. And the first one is aware, making yourself aware. Then the second one is commit, and then transform. We've talked about that. Then the idea of incorporate and organize. And the last part is about navigate. You know, how do you navigate that journey? And really, this is where I bring everything together and help you bring it together in your life. And I close out this book with a challenge about legacy. You know, men, we want to leave a legacy. We don't want to waste our life. We want to make a difference in this world. And I give a great challenge to help men to get off that couch and stay off that couch and make a difference with their life and have a legacy with their life. And I love the close of this book. I tell you, it's worth the whole book, just the close to it.